Huh? Oh, this is right where we were before. Where are you actually aiming for this place?
What's wrong? Do it! Why aren't you killing me?
Compared to people like you with your quick costume changes or king, I really hate the fact that I'm not cut out for this at all. But it's because I'm a hero. Not to mention, it was also that kid's final request that I stop you without killing you.
Final request? Ah!